What to ask when installing biometric access control systems. Access control systems are almost everywhere, albeit in different formats and structures. The convenience of just a touch to gain access to your building has lured many users to biometric access control systems. If you're considering this technology, given below are a few questions you should consider before installing it. Number 1. If I already have a strong perimeter of security, do I still need biometrics? Compared to other security parameters, biometrics access control system verifies every access attempt to your premises. It shields your property from any kind of threat by limiting the reach an employee or a visitor might have. Number 2. Which biometric authentication should I consider implementing? Biometrics range from face and iris recognition to a fingerprint scanner to voice recognition and many more. You should consider the one according to your company's needs. Number 3. How user-friendly is my new solution? Authentication systems should be easier to use, or else adoption rates will be low and abandonment rates will be high. Analyze your workforce and implement the system that your people would work best with.